Hey guys! Even though I'm on Windows 11, this method will also work if you're still using Windows 7. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to get Roblox running. Let's get started. Step 1. Head over to the link I've left below in the description. This will take you to the Microsoft Update Catalog. On that page, scroll down and look for the two download options. One is about 314 megabytes, the other is about 205 megabytes. Step 2. Check your system type. To know which one to download, go to Search and type in System Information. Open it and look at system type. If it says x64, download the x64 version. If it says x86, download the x86 version. In my case, I'm on x64, so I'll select the 314 megabytes download. Click on the download link. A new window will pop up. Click on the file link to start downloading. Once it's finished, open the file and begin the installation. Since I'm on Windows 11, I can't continue the install, but if you're on Windows 7, just follow the setup steps and complete the installation. After the installation finishes, click OK, then restart your PC. Now, Roblox should run properly on Windows 7. And that's it. That's how you play Roblox on Windows 7.